Santosh Das, Director T. Sameti, if I'm pronouncing correctly, Sri Aurobindo Debarma, and also we have Joint Director SARS, Dr. Uttam Shah, Dean College of Fisheries, Dr. A.D. Patel, Dr. B.P. Singh, Head of Division of Technology, ICAR, Sri Diganta Das. Dr. Chaudhary was telling that GM was supposed to come, but the GM has come. But I must tell you that the future GM has come. Because from the GM only he become GM. So we can say that GM nahi aaya, future GM has come to me. I really thank him from NABARD. And of course, the head of ICAR Tripura Center, Dr. V.U. Chaudhary. I really thank all of you all, and also all the scientists, research officers, technicians. Tensini ICAR by Karanjak, Takute Buk Somno, Dalai Khaka Hamjapar. Anko Korok Salai Jokta Walane. It was a great experience for me also today to be here, and I'm sure I have named almost everyone, and also Commandant Sahab from CRPF is here. I thank you also to be part of this program. It is a great experience for me in the sense that ICAR scientists, you all have gone far ahead now. You know, in the technological invention, the system, the low-cost technologies you have demonstrated today. It's mind-blowing, let me tell you. But the only thing is, this all has to be taken to the farmers who are the real end users of this technology. That's why I was talking to Dr. Chaudhary that you must have this kind of exhibition, not here in a small place. Take it to the open ground, like Astabal ground, one of the finest place. I must tell that if you want to connect with the people, that's the place where we can bring the technology and the end user together. And he was talking about the funding problem. I think my forest department, we have agroforestry, one part of our livelihood project. Probably we can collaborate, and partly I also can take the initiative to fund to do such program in Astabal ground. This is one. Second thing, for the scientists, I just want to give a simple message to you. You may feel that Tripura is a small state, that what really we can contribute here. Research scientists can work better in Punjab, Haryana, or maybe in Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Karnataka, because they have huge land, so that you can really do experiment and you can try your technologies. But if I was in your position, I would have taken Tripura as a challenge. Because scientists, you should invent some technology or some method where you don't have much of land, but the production is big. That should be the invention. You have large space, but you can produce so much. I think that technology will not be appreciated by the farmers. And we all are standing in a challenging situation in the world. Dr. Chaudhary was telling that we have deficit in meat, deficit in fish, also in meat, I'm sure, because still fish is coming from Kolhapur and also from Telangana, Hyderabad, from Bangladesh, Bangladesh is our big source for Hilsa. And then, why this deficit? The deficit could be the scientists, you all have invented the technology, but the technology has not reached to the farmers. This may be one of the reasons. Not jara tinoro bhaiyero, Dr. Chaudhary agu sauro, chingari ma kok buji na bole naro. Chingari ma na horse rina bungan tingai. Are mono kutuno bayang so horse jagi tongai. Nisa se khamna nahi tonga. Dr. Chaudhary, मोनो को असके तू इज सो हॉट आपने हमको चिंगारी लाने के लिए बोला मैं खुद चिंगारी बन गया आज इट इज सो हॉट नेक्स्ट टाइम से you should have the research Indian Council of Agricultural Research is the top institution in the country for agriculture Tripura Center kaisa air condition training hall tongnai dorkar oro jesut bahar thanda borok to bokrok tungai training ni pore thap leni thanda hai oro kun silman lagai hasinu chini Sandir Bazar ni folk dance musai tongkuru Jinta Dedi he is the real scientist The male folk dancer is the real scientist. Khorok tham bari bai khorok se salam musaka was a scientist I think. Emon badan musaka se kutum dora. Dr. Chaudhary kan musaka Dr. Chaudhary nang lekha pora pori birat bigyani naijan Sandir Bazar ni ani borok khorok se baire borok dance keibiga bari khorok tham no musare donika boleche. Was a real scientist like I see a Santautam Mangene No Boko Kaham Sound of Kaham Sale Problem Boro has Kemo Krishok Namusuyat Krishok Mane Satum Bukuron and Naya Kemo Musuyat Albaidi my Burdi my Radi my Nadi Hugothani Maikaidi are very difficult I tell you. It is easy to tell that farmers you become active. Kaun active banna chahta? Standing here I can tell I have seen my life and the world. People who are selling their energy every day they earn little bit of amount of money. People sitting under the fan, they earn much bigger amount. People sitting in the AC room, they earn the most. So, why these farmers will burn their skin in the hot sun? I don't have mobile. My mobile is with my personal security officer. That mobile is costing not less than 70,000. Initially, I used a mobile which is of 24,000 rupees. It used to hang. There are so many apps, so many things we need to download. Banking applications, Google, Wikipedia, so many things, a number of things. The mobile does not work. I had to go for this mobile. This mobile is costing not less than 70,000. अभी एक जमातिया साहब ने आके इधर बोला वीर सिंह जमातिया देखो ताकू किंगू बहुत आगे बहुत हॉल बिसिंग देखो वीर सिंह देनिंगू वीर सिंह ताकू वीर सिंह थाजिंग साका जानी इनकम 1,20,000 টাকা প্রত্যেক বছর অর্থাৎ মান্থলি 10,000 ইনকাম ফ্যামিলি আইসিআর বাই করলাই তাবো ইয়ারলি 10 লক্ষ টাকা so if I roughly calculate it will be around say 80,000 per month but 80,000 per month big income no একটা মোবাইল পাইলে no দিনে এক মাস তে বেতন শেয়ার whereas or ICR or যারা সায়েন্টিস্ট নিয়ে আসুক তঙ্গেরো 2 লাখ 2.5 লাখ 3 লাখ বেতন মান হয় আর যারা বুকুর মধ্যে কৃষক খাইনাই বড় রাঙাজি মায়া আন সানো কিন্তু চিনি উপায় করে we have no other option যে বড়নি তে কোনো লামা করে বড় ফিকুঙ্গো হকি বক্সা গেখাই কেরাং লাঙ্গা হবে মো আইসিআর নি সাইন্টিস্ট রো তি প্রাসার নি ফিকুঙ্গো হকি বক্সা হবে ইন্দে না মা দে আইছে আনসিওর কষ্ট ফিয়াবা their technique and একজন কৃষক ছিল this is a lifetime testimony given by one farmer in Tripura. I know one farmer from Urabuti district. I know him for the last 26 years. From my days in Mumbai, I happen to know this guy. He was a farmer. He is junior to me by 4 to 5 years. Matro class 3 jora Holy Cross School of Polycarp. Only till class 3. Since he studied in Holy Cross, he can speak English. That's the advantage. Whenever he meets some army officers, he'll ask their help. Whenever he meets some Christian fathers, he'll ask their help. When he'll meet person like Dr. Chaudhary, he'll ask help. Virat Tekratwai Bagan Khaiga in the last 26 years. And now his yearly earning is more than 70 lakhs. More than 70 lakhs. Only agriculture. So please tell them, of farmer Ramno Mas Hanai, বছরন কত 25 লাখ 30 লাখ ইনকাম ফাইনালি মতো আমদি চাষ ইকক্সে করনো স্বাধীনতা মাশরুম ফালে I know selling mushroom you can earn 30,000 rupees a month, but you cannot earn 50 lakhs a year. Chini dhani tabuko, I tell the agricultural scientists, agar is the next generation crop in Tripura. Agar ek ekta agar bufan, it can give you 20-25 lakhs. Ame nok agar bufan ni kok khanak mata agor nisog agor. আগর ওর প্রায় বড় সেন্ট ফুলি পেগেছে সেন্ট পারফিউম আর সেন্ট নাম্বানি আবো আগর নি অয়েল নাম হয়েছে I am not discouraging mushroom ro tokta khumro pigari ICR need not to teach us तुमने फुरना wa bahige remain suno furna sun to furna bol rahe they are the real scientists Sengau perjalanan itu semua emon fosol punutung boro je fosol alo hajar ya no lokho taka income khaimandani আর technology satu mathumbe because the landscape of Tripura is unlike Haryana, it is unlike Punjab. Punjab ko boro usu pai dal bai ba tractor bai shankari ahai ka motor nai funga ka bas তারপর ট্রাক্টর কোনা পেহলওয়ান দুধ তুঙ্গা সা 2.5 লিটার আবার নি ফার্মার রখাইছে হ্যাঁ আর বউনি I know one guy from Haryana, still his son comes here in Tripura. He was the best rice exporter in the country. Bini Asaka my production Mairu super fine rice Haryana Gurugram nitege direct US Europe bin Mairu thamel. That is called farmer. And our these farmer they are Gujarat farmers. All of it side by sina sini side. All of it could claim yes. So I would request ICI scientists. So now anti technology friendly. Je technology by chini farmer 1 acre. 1 acre is how much? 2.5 tons. 1 acre chas layer অন্তত 10-15 লক্ষ টাকা রোজগার খাইমান্দানি মতো আরো লামা মাছ মুখে আর লামানি বাড়ি বড় I put forward my humble suggestion to them. Ini ang kaban kok saka muy kumu mushroom उजी चीनी पारो जे मशरूम मान बने आबो पाई पाई कोगी भाई लोग मुखनाई आबो नो राहु इचस समुदी तिपुनो नांगे तो ओ बाजार दी मशरूम अमो चाटी चाहिए ठीक गया बुद्धि चाहिए ठीक गया something some problem आबो मेले अंगोरनो सका पुटेलो फालना बागी सिनी एक ताक लाइदी ये प्रशासन ने वंशसान ने আমাদের সন্তোষ বাবু নিউ মাশরুম খান আপনিও মাশরুম খান কিন্তু মাশরুম আমরা ত্রিপুরারা কি মাশরুম খাই আমরা চাকরি খাই গদক খাই আওয়ান্দ্র খাই আমাদের মাশরুম নেই আর বাঙালিদের মাশরুম কি বাংলা আলু ডালু দিয়ে একটু গরম মশলা টসলা দিয়ে একদম ভাজা বঙ্গি বড় সো চাকরি আওয়ান্দ্র গদক চানান দাগে Sini indigenous mushroom. She was there. I don't know your name. I have forgotten your name. She is also doctorate. She was there when I am Saka. Was I the Dr. Chaudhary? Sir, और नहीं कर पाते. वो different breed है, ये different breed है. ठीक है? Yes. मसाबाई माइनो hybrid लाइन है आपके. See by musuka hybrid kayne aoge kintu chine aap mushroom no fano please take that our indigenous mushroom and then in large scale we should be able to produce you know chine other indigenous and samani chine haprogo mukhu manmani Jammu and Kashmir 5,000 per kilo 5,000 rupees 5,000 Whereas in Tripura, 450-500 টাকা কেজি 10 গুণ জম্মু এন্ড কাশ্মীর আবলি দাম so why don't you take that breed and then do research on that so that we can sell it to the market where we get more money and then I don't know ICR has got a concept of marketplace please link them Chini of farmer of no Zamaning Mani Chini Dr. Chaudhary the entire team of Dr. Chaudhary one of Bhai Sansan Fosol Kaika Fosol Kaisa Rangma Eka Tamla Al Kaisha Gotana Sanai Koini Kolyan Purat or Rupini Thazino Tam Rupini Sikawani Bobo Borobo Thazino Jawar okay Koi Kolyan Pursi Sidin 지금 보여 다음 강력선 지니 거룩서 보러 이 프라사노 자이탈릭 소프리 콜라 꼭 가는 게 사스 되게 বড় ফালনাইব কল্যাণপুর বাজারটা গাই বক্রবর রুজুই থাকা বয়তে খালি তো রুজুই থাকা আছে কারণে দোকানদার ও হামজাকা বড় এক আলি বড় দুই আলি বড় 2 টাকায় না খা না আলি ছাকা আরে পয়সা দেন বোর্ডিং বক্রবর থালি পাই থাকে আমার দোকানে আয়া পয়সা দিয়ে বসি ছিনিয়ে বাজার তোমরা না বাজার থাকতে হবে আমার এগ্রিকালচার প্রোডাক্ট এই বাজারতে যেন আমার মাথার উপরে না হয় আর এই বকরক ছাড়াও বাজারকে ভাইলে আমার বাজারতে সরকার মামন শুনাই দেব Please take up. Why don't you ICR you please put forward your proposal to the government indigenously produced muya samsata thorai orai Amarno Thalan Bage, even in Agartala, Udaipur, Amarpur, ইত্যাদি জায়গা indigenous, আপনারা বুঝতে পারছেন indigenously produced agriculture produces the Phaldani Bage market shape nanai. You have to have stock. Otherwise, where you will sell? Every now and then they are being chased out by the local shopkeepers here. Their rights also have to be protected, let me tell you. Unless you cannot protect their interest, why they will grow? They will not. आपको बाजार create करना. It is not only training about the technologies. Also we have to safeguard their interest. And we must write to the government. I think This must be happening everywhere. Gawang ma jaga sendu kuchini muya phalnai, oro phalnai ro lama o wati wagai sati, thori ma phalo hai. Bhai ke phalnai hai. So amor ko ICR ne alochona kari. They must demand for more funds. See, I am a forest minister. I cannot ask fund for agriculture. You have every right. You collaborate. I cannot ask fund for buying guns because I am not Home Minister. So it is your department. You please, vis-a-vis side by side, the way you are inventing the technologies, you also have to focus on providing them secured market. Why don't we come up with organic stall? You all have shown so many organic rice and organic vegetable. Where is the organic stall here? In Tripura, in Agartala. I think time has come. Government, research scientists, institutions, all of us, we should collaborate and we must focus on opening up some organic stores also. Let us challenge. This is a big challenge, I am telling you. 1st of October 2024 is a day for taking the challenges. Dr. Chaudhary will appreciate me. He is a man from Hailakandi. He told me, not so far from our place. He is also from the neighboring state. DP Singh Sahab, sun raha hai mera baat. He is also smiling. He must be wondering, हम साइंटिस्ट को क्यों मार्केट प्रोटेक्शन के लिए बोल रहे हैं? तो बोलना है, because see, as a citizen of the country, you are doing research, technology पे आप काम कर रहे हो. Why will not speak out this? You see, I am a politician. I am also a minister. Still, I am talking about this. Santosh Das is an officer. He must speak out. Then only the rights of the farmers will come. Because there are people, they don't bother about your organic or inorganic. Few days back, I bought one vegetable from Lake Chomoni market. I could not eat. It was smelling some fertilizer there. Instantly I said, it fell out. I not eat this. Whatever process, whatever technique you adapt to clean up the fertilizer from the vegetable, I think it will not work by 100%. So the best process is, we must tell the buyers, the citizens, the intellectual people in the society, you must have some workshop like this, not only with the farmers, also with the buyers. You tell them that these are the advantages of eating organic vegetable. No, বরং খালি জামামা যত রুসুই জানি আন্দোলন সবাই একটা বা বার্তা দেয় ডেইলি খুশ খাই দি কৃষি বিজ্ঞান কেন্দ্র চিনি মান খাইতো অঙ্ক মিক্সিং দিয়ে they must give বংধানি তঙ্গ and I am happy. I also thank, it is not all putting forward my suggestion. বড় হামবাই দেব বড় করো ভাই যেভাবে চিনি বীর সিং জমা দিয়া है বড় রোববার চিনিও খরকসা বড়মুরা গানানি চম্পাবাড়ি বিসিনি ফাইনান্সিয়ালি তাকুক সংবাই লিঙ্ক আপ ক্লাই সামুদাকা. I think this kind of workshop, this kind of knowledge sharing অমনতিব গ্রামগঞ্জ লাঙ্গি থাঙ্গি উয়াং সিনেমানি বড় 70 লাখ টাকা নিয়ে উপর কাবু ইনকাম খায় এবং নিজে তিনি গাড়ি ইনোভা গাড়ি বিনি বুসাজটো আমেরিকার হরি পরিণত হতে wonderful class 3 যারা পরিচয়. This is the success story, and somewhere I have read Aisha Porikar Borokso integrated farming system, IFS. Integrated farming system tam koka abo chas khai di wak bu tusi di tok gori di mai bo kai di mong bo kai di thaisno kai di hai sable. These are all integrated. Are integrated farming system. The Tripura tribals were the leaders in the country, I am telling you. You ask that dancer, "Ayah, sini integrated no khaile, mai bisle, momfol, thaisumu, dormai, ha? Jotor wise, I like sarosan sini hubaite. Everything comes up. Okay. Now only the scientists and other people they say only petty, only weak, only bottle guard. Our system of cultivation in the hills was integrated farming system only. In every household, you'll find sini pratyek nagar upne wak tomu, unbo tomu, zara plain area wat only musupo tomu, pukur tomu. We live in the integrated farming system, I am telling you. But what is important is the latest technology to be taught to them, and inke piche lagte raho, I am telling you. There is one Hindi film you must have watched, Lage Raho Munna Bhai. So Dr. Chaudhary and the entire team, हर आप लोग साइंटिस्ट लोग इनके पीछे लगे रहो, then only they will do. Otherwise they will take and they will forget. That culture, China culture, abu sayang sakit orang cari yang naik. Setelah lo, ek bosor kayo, kongkang. Sen proyek bosor makanya abu Chini, taku piercing hai, sen success stories bas namne. Chini, kawan mazara chashi, rubber clay, kuai chas clay. All borrowers ever Rangaziga. I think we should repeat that kind of success story. I think I will not speak much because not that my opinion, no, my child we take feels up for na compor of it. Our in Parao Countess Shik of Rom to money with a book has Shik of night. Ulo my child we take at Conta Porta book right. You mean no think like it? My child may go, I shall not look for enough or doing it. So now Sirutani about the technology, it is very good that scientists and the farmers, you all have come together and you are sharing your knowledge. I'm sure they also will share their feedback. That is also knowledge sharing. Nothing, I just came, I saw, and this is good infrastructure. Many more things can be done. Please feel free. I have agroforestry livelihood project, a small part of forestry. Please come, we can discuss. I think I can also tell you something whereby the same people, the group of people who lives in the hilly areas can be benefited out of the. So I'm kawan kok saria norang cingari di maya sa horse ni kanga norang tam horse ni nang sa sungay. So kawan tesin niya Dr. Chaudhary ke complexion kano buka Hasing ko kolonti chair side sapra kabo sundak nahi. Solo जरा असुक तुमने जो तो बहुत सुंदर चिंगारी मैंने सिर्फ इनको चिंगारी नहीं दिया चिंगारी हम सब में चिंगारी आ गया. So this चिंगारी should continue after the lunch. तबाला अंकों सलिया जो तो नो पाइप लाया हम भाई अपने आने को कोरोना मथा कर जो तो नो बैले बैले हम भाई जाएंगे.
जतनन खुलुमखा आं पिनाकी देबर्मा हास्तिनि जत लुकुरंगनो दुर्गा पूजा एबा असमतानि खाका हामते हामचांगमाया फरु आमा अशा फाइमानि बागै तुबुइ फाइका स्वर्णकमल ज्वेलर्स निनिसलाय ताइबो खाचु लुकुरगनि बागै तुबुइ फाइका शारद अर्को अफर्स ओ शारद अर्को अफर्स चेंगि रिजांगनाय 30 सेप्टेम्बर निसिमि 10 अक्टोबर चरा अल जरावो त्रिपुरा हास्तिनि जत लुकुरंगनि बागै सकान बतावनाय ताई आबोनि लगिवो चेंगि तंगो कटर खलाई चेन एक्सिबिशन बो
सगार तंगनाय मेगा लकी ड्र डेली लकी ड्र ताई तंगनाय शालबुंग पाइमानि लगिवो मानाय रांचकनि फैसा आमो सिमि बायाको डायमंडनि कानमानि तै रांचकनि कानमानिनि बायनाव अफर तंगनाय तै गोजाम रांचकनो सिलाय कताल हलमार्क गोनां कानमानि पाइमानाय जतन लामसगो
स्वर्णकमल ज्वेलर्स की आगरतला तै उदयपुरनि शोरूम हामबाय.